Hey guys, Chris again, ClassicVWBugs.com, and in this video, we got a new product coming to the market. So my VW fans out there, my VW followers know that I make engine insulation tarboards for the Karmann Ghia and the Volkswagen Beetle, and they have our famous waffle pattern that you see here on them. And then I started selling Porsche 356 coupe engine insulation tarboards, and now by popular demand, people have asked me, why don't you do 911 and 912? So here you go. We got the templates in. Here is the 69 to 89 911 and 912E Carrera Porsche insulation tarboard. Sound deadener as well. Perfect for your engine bay. I'm going to have links in the description below this video where you guys can purchase these tarboards. Very, very cool here. The material is very nice. It's like a rubbery tarish material. This is how thick it is. And you got a nice waffle pattern. This really dresses up the engine bay nicely. It dresses up the engine bay and the VWs very nicely. It gives it a nice contrast, good bouncing off material. You know, just kind of livens up the engine bay. It's not just a flat material that's kind of really has no character to it. This stuff with the waffle pattern, I think it screams vintage, to be honest. So, and then right here you got, I have 65 to 68, 911, 912 coupe and the Targa. And coupe Porsche. There you go. I'll have links again in the description below the video where you can order this. And then if you are 912 owners, you can also get these side pieces. Similar to the Volkswagen Beetle, the Volkswagen had the two side triangular pieces on the side of the firewall on the left and right of the engine bay. So for your 912 guys out there, this is what you would have. You can get these as well. So free shipping in the continental United States. If you are in Europe, please pop me in a line, and what I'll do is I'll make a quote for you, what it would be shipping to, say, Europe or Australia or wherever you would like it to go. I ship internationally. So if you guys get any questions, just pop me an email. Give me a shout. You can also give me a call, 845-290-9900. And yeah. These waffle boards are pretty damn cool. They really liven up the engine bay, guys, and I just think it just screams a little class in my eyes. Even though I'm probably a little biased, I do honor my product. So any questions whatsoever, and if you have any problems ever with the product, just give me a holler and just send you out another one, you know. So, but it's all cut. It's ready to drop in, and I know with the Volkswagens, they have spikes in the firewall. And you poke the spikes through this material. That's easy to do, and then just bend the tabs down. For Porsche, I believe you can use either some sheet metal screws with some finishing washers possibly to hold this in place, or if you have the tabs that are in your engine bay to also hold it into place. So, but yeah, guys, I think it's pretty damn cool. I think they look really nice. Check that out. And one last one. Just remember that what year you got. Just put down what year. I'm going to have them on separate ads. There you go. Pretty cool. All right, guys. Have any questions? Leave them in the comment section below or pop me an email, Chris@ClassicVWBugs.com. And I'll see you next time.